Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve stock market understanding with Yahoo Finance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your understanding of the stock market using Yahoo Finance, start by visiting the Yahoo. Once on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. You can use the search bar to find specific stocks or financial news. Enter the ticker symbol of a company you're interested in, or simply type the company name. After selecting a company, you'll be directed to its dedicated page. Here, you'll see an overview of the stock's current price and historical performance. Take note of the price chart displayed at the top of the page. You can adjust the time frame of the chart to view different periods such as 1 day, 1 month, or 5 years. Explore the interactive chart features to analyze trends or specific price movements. Next, scroll down to check out key statistics, including market capitalization, P/E ratio, and dividend yield. Understanding these metrics will give you better insight into a company's financial health. Look for the news section on the company page to stay updated with recent articles and announcements. Regularly reading financial news will help deepen your market knowledge and provide context for movements in stock prices. Now, check out the Analysis tab. Here, you can find ratings, target prices, and insights from financial analysts that can guide your understanding. Visit the Competitors section to compare the company with its peers in the industry. This can provide valuable context regarding performance and market position. Next, take advantage of the watchlist feature on Yahoo Finance. Create a watchlist to track multiple stocks you are interested in. This will allow you to monitor price changes and updates easily. Additionally, explore Yahoo Finance's educational resources. These resources can help you understand complex topics such as stock valuation and market trends. Participate in the Yahoo Finance community by engaging in forums or reading user comments. Interacting with others can offer diverse perspectives and insights. Finally, practice regularly by analyzing different stocks and monitoring their performance over time. By actively using Yahoo Finance, your stock market understanding will improve with each visit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.